Namaste. I am Gayatri from Fuchsia Performing Arts, and I'm very happy and excited to be part of Nati Vedika, an online workshop series on Indian classical dances organized by Indian Embassy and Finnish Indian Society. Dance is a gift that brings people together with creativity and music. During this pandemic time, where people are forced to insulate themselves, dance and music has become a common way to connect people together and to cheer them on. And it is amazing what the virtual world has done globally in making the world a smaller place. And the initiative taken by Indian Embassy in promoting Indian culture, especially Indian dance and music, is very commendable. I am originally from southern state of India, Kerala, better known as God's own country. And from the very childhood itself, I was very passionate about Indian classical dances. My parents were really very passionate about the Indian culture and dances. So they used to take me to all these performances and dance shows happening in our home city. So I got an opportunity to watch so many performances of renowned artists while I was growing up. My entry into the classical dance world was through Bharatanatyam. At the age of 4, I was trained under Pushpala, the teacher. So my guru in Mohiniyattam was Pushpala, the teacher, and my guru in Kathakali was Kalamandalam Manoj Kumar master. And I was very fortunate that I got opportunity to perform these dance forms like Kathakali, Mohiniyattam and Bharatanatyam when I was a kid itself. Like there were many cultural shows and dance festivals in our home city. So my parents used to take me to these performances, and also I was a regular participant in Kerala School Youth Festivals. And due to my overriding passion in Mohiniyattam, I attended a workshop with Padma Shri Bharati Shivaji Madam, and that was like a life-changing experience for me. I learned a lot during those 15 days, and to delve deeper into Mohiniyattam, I got training under the guidance of Srimati Vinitha Nedungadi Madam for a very short span of time. But yet it has helped me to discover the beauty and nuances of Mohiniyattam, and I'm grateful to all my gurus, and I believe the hard work of my parents and my family and my gurus have helped me to become a dancer who I am now. After completing my engineering degree, I got married and I moved to Finland with my husband. And after coming here, I was so surprised to see the bunch of talents here in Finland who are very expertised in Indian dance forms, not just in classical dance, in Bollywood, in other folk styles and all. And after coming here, my husband suggested me to start teaching dance here. So I, along with Nitya Chechi, I call her Nitya Chechi, we started a dance group called Mudra Dance Group in Tampere, and we started teaching small kids. So that's how my dance journey started here in Finland. So after 2 years, she moved back to India, and then I was managing the group alone for some time. And then in 2016, other two very talented dancers, Kati and Sujita, they joined me, and we together founded Fuchsia Performing Arts, where we teach all kind of Indian dance styles. Like I used to teach classical dance styles like Mohiniyattam, Bharatanatyam, and semi-classical styles. And Kati teaches Bollywood and semi-classical Kathak, and Suji is a very well versed in Bollywood and South Indian folk styles. So that's how we started Fuchsia. My dance journey has never been a lone one. I have had support from various levels, starting from my family, my students, and in Finland, I have got immense support from the Indian Embassy and Finland Malayali Association. In this moment, I would like to thank them all for being there for me, especially my students. They take care of everything when there is a performance. They take care of the costumes, makeup, and they give me very positive suggestions, feedbacks. So I'm really thankful to all my students and like parents of the children whom I teach. Coming to Mohiniyattam, Mohiniyattam literally means dance of enchantress. Like all other Indian classical dance forms, Mohiniyattam also has its roots in Natya Shastra, an ancient text on performing arts. Mohiniyattam in its early days went through ups and downs, which eventually got steadied under the reign of King Swathi Tirunal of Travancore Kingdom. During his reign, there was a flow of artists and scholars from all over India to Travancore. And Swathi Tirunal, along with the court musicians, engaged in uplifting Mohiniyattam. Swathi Tirunal himself composed the literature of Mohiniyattam in Telugu, Malayalam and Sanskrit, which the dancers embraced. However, the early and untimely demise of this royal patron marked the beginning of another dark period for Mohiniyattam until it got revived by Mahakavi Vallatol Narayana Menon, Sri Mukunda Raja, and the Mohiniyattam artists like Kalamandalam Kalyani Kutiyamma. Mohiniyattam follows the Lasya style that is described in Natya Shastra, which is very delicate and feminine. This exquisite dance form is a graceful style of dance which emphasizes on swinging and swaying body movements. When we compare Mohiniyattam to Bharatanatyam, the movements in Bharatanatyam are more fast and crisp. But in Mohiniyattam, these movements should be very soft and delicate in nature. The movement of the dancer should be like of paddy plants during the soft breeze, and this structural difference can be very well found in the aesthetics of Mohiniyattam. Simple yet elegant costume is one of the main aspects of Mohiniyattam that give the art form a unique identity among other Indian classical dance forms. The attire of Mohiniyattam consists of a white sari bordered with a broad brocade called kasavu, and the hair is tied in a bun either in the left side or in the back and decorated with jasmine flowers. Both in India and Finland, I have performed in many prestigious events. In Finland, I have performed for India Day, Spectacular India, summer events organized by Tampere City, and also various events organized by Indian cultural associations. And I have also got the opportunity to introduce Indian classical dances, especially Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam and Kathakali, to the libraries and schools, both in India and Finland. And a couple of years back, I was invited as a guest lecturer in the University of Arts Helsinki to introduce Kathakali to the theatre students. That was an incredible experience for me. At Fuchsia, I give classes for Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam and semi-classical styles for both kids and adults. This season we are having online classes, and if you are interested to join, you can message me, or you can find more details and information about the courses in our Facebook page.